let's try out this slime. It's a watermelon slime from Chuck E. Cheese. It is worth 500 tickets. Let's see how good it is. Okay, so right now it is normal temperature. Okay. It is not sticky, which is good, I guess. It stretches pretty nicely. But right now it's hot. I didn't just get it. I left it in the car, so I can understand that. But when the slime is hot, it stretches better. There's no smell. They give you a decent amount for 500 tickets. I would say you could do a bubble with it. I would say you could. But yeah, overall this slime is like pretty good. So yeah, you should definitely try out this Chuck E. Cheese slime. Overall, I'd rate it like out of 10. I would rate it a 7. A 7. It could have more like slime in it, because they only give you like a palm full of slime. So yeah, I think it could have a little more slime. Yeah, this slime isn't sticky. Look. Hey, nothing sticked. So yeah, I'd say it's probably worth 500 tickets if you had bought this at Chuck E. It is worth 500 tickets. It even comes like with this. When you have this, it comes with oh, the ring is down there, dropped, but it comes with the ring. Look, it's on my clothes. Boom. So yeah, the age for this is like 4 and up, because they just don't want littler kids to put it in their mouth, you know. Yep. So yeah, I would say let your kids have it. It's really cool. So just, it's worth 500 tickets. Maybe not to just go to Chuck E. Cheese and play for no reason just to get the slime. Yeah, don't do that. Well, and as always, I love you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Bye, guys.